Hello, happy Thursday afternoon. I had a sweet customer reach out to me and she wanted to know about eyeshadow placement. She just received her order and she had bought some beautiful eyeshadows, actually some of my absolute favorites, and she wanted to know, how do you place them? Where do you put them? So thought, what better way to show than just show, right? So she also got that eyeshadow everything brush, and this is the one that I use every day with every kind of eyeshadow, okay? So I'm going to use this brush and the 4 colors that she picked out, all right? So this is Mama, Lullaby, London, and Midnight. Now, you may not want to wear all 4 every day. You may want to wear a combination, 1 or 2, or all of them. So what I thought I would do is I will do all 4 and show you, and then, but we'll start with just 1 or 2, and then we can add the others in, all right? Because you might want to change it up between a daytime look, a nighttime look, or whatever you're in the mood for, okay? Glam, full glam, every day, you never know. But they're 4 very versatile colors. They're all matte, and so they're gonna go with a lot of different looks, and it'll be real easy to do these, okay? To use these colors. So first, you can see Mama is absolutely one of my favorites because I've already reached pan there in the middle. But I'm going to take the fluffy end of the eyeshadow everything brush. So there's like a tapered end that's denser, that has more bristles, and then a very loose, long, rounded end that we're going to use for more blending and all over type application, okay? This is for more detail work. This is for more all over application. So first, we're going to take Mama. I'm going to go in with the fluffy end, and I'm going to just swirl this all over my eye, from my lash line all the way up to my brow. You can already see, compared one eye, this is going to give us just an all-over color that is going to blend everything beautifully on top of it, okay? Now, I'm going to do this other eye as well. So this is only using the color Mama all over. Now, I will say, if you wanted to, you could go very simple, very natural looking, and simply wear this one color. But let's step it up a notch. We'll put the second color on. So now I'm going to take that same brush, okay, same end of the brush, okay, the fluffy end. I'm going to go in to Lullaby. Okay, all right. So here's what we're going to do. I am going to take Lullaby, and I'll go on this eye first since I start over here. And this is where my brow bone is. Okay, so because I have a hooded eye, we may not all have hooded eyes, but because I do, I'm going to show you how I use this color on my hooded eye. But right here, where that brow bone is, and right then underneath, you can see, is the crease. And then this, of course, is my lid. So what I want to do is I want to put this on the brow bone and right there, right at the tippy top of that crease, because on my hooded eye that's going to appear, you're going to be able to see the color better. So I've got that on my brush, and I kind of go back and forth, and I start to just swirl right in that area, right in that area. Okay, so I'm going to do the other eye. Lullaby is the color, right on that brow bone. I go right in and out. And I'm just swirling that around. Swirl it like that, okay? Now then, that is 2 colors. So notice I could easily stop here, have a whole eye look. This is great for daytime. It's great for work. If you're in a hurry, you just put 1 or 2 colors on. Maybe you're going to run errands. You're not sure if you're going to see anybody. You always see somebody when you run errands, though, so just keep that in mind. But I could easily stop right there, okay? But remember, my friend, had 4 colors. So let's bring in the 3rd color. This one is London. That's this color right here. I'm going to switch and use the domed, more detailed end of the eyeshadow everything brush. So I'm going to put a little color on there, and I'm going to go just on the outer corner and right into that crease, just a little bit. Then I'm going to flip my brush and blend that in with that other color. You can already see I've gotten more definition there and brought a little bit more depth to the outside corner of that eye. Okay, you can still see the mama. That was the first color, remember, that I put on. You can still see it here, so it helps open up and brighten my eye, but that added a little bit of depth and dimension to that outer corner. So I'm gonna do it again for you on the other eye. All right, so a little bit on the edge there. I mean on the brush, on the edge. And I'm gonna put it right there and then into that crease. Okay, then I'm gonna take that I got my mouth hung open so I can get it just right. Don't we do that? We all do that. Got our mouth open, our eyes wide. All right, so there you go. That is 3 colors. Now I could definitely spin, might have my work look. I could also go out with my husband to eat or go out with friends with this 3 eye color look. But let's step it up a notch and let's go with this 4th color, Midnight. So this time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take just a little bit on the very tippy tip of this brush. And I'm gonna come on the outer corner and underneath my eyelashes. Okay, that's going to create that depth down at the bottom, but help bring some color underneath. It's also going to help me skip a step later because guess what? I don't need eyeliner underneath my eyes. So I don't have to try to get a pencil or something down there and all that. Okay, so it has helped frame my eye, bring some color underneath, and provide a little more definition. So there you go. Now I could take this same color. I can go in super tight against that eyelash line and use it like a liner on the upper lashes. Ta-da! Now then, 4 colors. Last look has all 4 colors, and this is a more dramatic look. So if I'm going out, I want to feel glamorous, or I want to step it up a notch, then obviously this is going to be my more glam look. Now, that's not to say if you want to be glam at work, honey, be glam at work. But that is you. I just wanted to show you how you could easily take one set of colors and you could use it 4 different ways. Now, you can mix and match these any way you'd like, obviously, but I think this is a great way to start out and kind of see basic placement where we need it on our eyes. All right, I just need to add some mascara and I'm good to go. So I hope this was helpful to you, and if you have any other questions, if you're one of my customers, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. You are a blessing to me, and I appreciate your support of my business. And if this was helpful, please share it, save it, comment. I'm going to link the 4 colors below that were in this video. I'll put a link down there for those 4 colors. But by all means, please share this. This really helps me get my name out there and build up my business page. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.